Up on the block, you know. A bombing, you know. Well, me have to big up my people, them. All my people, them. Me have to big them up. A bombing, you know. Drop my rhythm there. Engineer. All right, no. A Likkle Lanton, you know.
Trey music on the track.
Wait there. Wait, let me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, let me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, let me see your phone, you know. Me say if I lime phone, you know. Wait, let me see your high-tech phone. With the vision, with the hammer, with the bright light on it. Let me see your high-tech phone. We'll take me picture this morning. Let me see the phone. We'll take me picture in the evening. Let me see the phone. We'll take me picture in the night, girl. Tell me what your phone name. Alcatel and Apple, what your phone name. Blue and Razor, that a what your phone name. See it now. Me want your phone number. That me want for your 7-digit number. Hope when you give me and me call you. Hope say you answer. If you no answer, you get me cross. Angry and miserable. When me touch on the road, me nah get no trouble. With the phone in me pocket, nah get no trouble. And the phone in me and it nah get no trouble. And if me lend her a phone, it nah get no trouble. And if me give her a phone, it nah get no trouble. So make me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Wait, make me see your phone, you know. If I did your cell phone, you know. Me have phone, just like phone factory. Me have phone, just like phone factory. Me have phone in me 4 pocket. Me say 4 times 4, that's a 16 phone. I'm go digital a floor, can tax me for it. A bombing, you know.
We have all kind of phone. we Hey, big of yourself, Likkle Lanton. Kisha, I'm gonna start with you first, you know.
Little me. Lantern, can I say
I know you heard him that.
It's not your rhythm. Okay, I understand what you're saying about that. That's disappointing when you really probably planned for something else. And we're talking about the phone and I'm having fun about the phone. But I think we need to put a bit more effort in regards to the lyrics because you have the punchline, but I feel like the rest of the song not start yet. Come in, you have phone, like, you know, Vice Cartel is a symbol phone. You don't have a phone, him explain why man should have a phone.
Yeah.
Every girl want a man to have a phone. You know, so if you're coming with a song that is, you know, catchy, you have to have something to explain why you need this phone. You know, so for me, I need you to put in more effort, and I am going to give you a 3. So hit me feet. What's a 3 this time around?
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you for that, Kish. Kish of Las Vegas. Yeah, I mean, Courtney, Counselor Courtney Edwards.
G, when you start off,
What you say about the phone?
it was a bit rocky, but I mean, you're caught up, you know, and we get the whole phone. I start to show me 2 phones because I say, me not the phone thing, you know. But, I mean, it could have been better delivered, you know, with some more preparation. So I'm going to give you a 5.
All right. Hey, speak of yourself, Counselor Courtney Edwards. You know what I mean? Lady Tash. Don't move, my boss. Don't move. I get the scores, them, you know.
I see the effort. I see the hungriness in your eyes. Mrs. You really want this. So I give the eye 8. But the fees, you're going to stop at digital, you know? You think I see this flow?
Yeah, all right, General. Don't move, my boss. Don't move.
Likkle Lanton, manners and respect. You know, you're fought from far to be a part of the competition. You see me I deal with. In the starting off of the performance, when you start draw for the phone and say show your phone from a digital phone and show your phone from a, you know, a crowd interaction that right they say is like you grab you see me? But then the verse them start show way off. You see me I deal with? Throw way off and the trouble, and you use trouble numerous amount of times with the phone same time, so it kind of throw way off. So for me, I would give you a 4, you see me?